5:38 now on this Thursday morning. A live look outside over Myrtle Beach. 79 degrees. Still kind of that muggy feeling outside, and we should be, I guess, on the edge of our seats waiting for a little bit of rain today, possibly.
A little bit of rain out there, some isolated storms, of course. When it feels this humid outside, it doesn't take too much to get some of those thunderstorms going. I mean, literally, you could probably take a rag to the atmosphere and wring out all the moisture, because that is how it is feeling out there. And unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's going to let up anytime soon. We'll look for this afternoon a chance of showers and storms. The heat and humidity is really going to be a...
Now, WNBF News Storm Team meteorologist Katy Morgan.
6:15 Thursday morning. We are almost to the weekend. A couple days to go, and well, we're going to be talking about a hot and steamy forecast not only today, but it looks like through the weekend as well. Let's start off with a live view from our WNBF News Skycam network overlooking the Sands Resorts here. I'll tell you what, this is the place to be this afternoon as we look at a very warm, very muggy forecast. In fact, this morning at 6 o'clock, we are looking at these temperatures in the upper 70s, but feels like the low 80s. You step outside, it's like a wall that hits you. And that's going to be the story today and for the next several days. In fact, 79 in Myrtle Beach now. Florence waking up to 76 degrees and Lumberton at 76 as well. The hot and steamy weather continues, and you know, it'll be feeling warmer today. We had the cloud cover yesterday, and that helped to make it feel not quite as oppressive. Today, though, with the sunshine returning, it'll be more direct, feeling much hotter out there, especially when you get in the car. So again, you want to take those extra precautions out there when you're out and about this afternoon. Scattered storms expected for today as well. Of course, with the heat and humidity around, makes it pretty easy for those showers and storms to develop. Let's talk about this heat index forecast, though, as again, we are looking at temperatures to climb into the low 90s. When you factor in the humidity, it'll be feeling like triple-digit heat from Florence up towards Bennettsville and into our North Carolina communities as well. Down at the beach even, feeling like the upper 90s, near 100 degrees. So again, feeling quite oppressive stepping out the door for this afternoon, and even overnight. Not getting much relief there either. Heading into this afternoon, of course, those showers and storms a possibility. Right now, you wake up with lots of sunshine out there, and you know, not a good combination when you get all the moisture in the atmosphere, and of course, the sunshine throughout the afternoon as well. That actually helps to build some of these showers and storms. So let's talk about what we can expect for today. Future View actually wants to paint quite a bit of shower activity for this afternoon as that sea breeze makes its way inland. We'll look for a few showers around the Grand Strand from Little River on down to Garden City, and then becomes very scattered in nature as we head into the PD. This stopped at about 5 o'clock, so your commute home may have to dodge a few showers or two. And of course, remember, anything that does develop will be slow moving and have the capability of producing quite a bit of rainfall. Heading into Friday, same story. So it does look like this unsettled, hot and steamy weather pattern will continue through the next couple of afternoons. Highs today in the low 90s, of course, feeling much warmer, factoring in the humidity. Some of those storms could be on the strong side, so do be careful of that. We take a look at our WNBF 7-day beach forecast. North Myrtle Beach to Georgetown and Little River. Notice not doing too much as far as temperatures go. We have a weak boundary that'll move through later on this evening and into Friday, but will not usher in any cooler weather for us. So again, we continue this hot and steamy pattern and the unsettled pattern as well heading into Saturday and Sunday. Still a few isolated storms around. Notice what happens here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We do begin to dry out a bit, but we do maintain the upper 80s and low 90s. Even our overnight lows staying quite warm as well in the mid 70s. Lumberton, Conway, Hartsville, your 7-day inland forecast looking pretty good as well. Just a bit on the warm side as we see the low 90s today, tomorrow, and into Saturday. Those isolated storms around. I think today best chance for those scattered storms inland and then becoming a little more isolated heading into Friday and Saturday. So really plenty of time to be out and about enjoying that weekend, just having to dodge a few showers or two. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday looking good. Looking for partly to mostly sunny skies, highs in the low 90s. And you know, guys, we officially begin summer next week. Wow. So we have been looking at some pretty warm conditions already. I was talking to a couple of people yesterday out at the apartment complex, and they said, man, feels like the heat's been around for quite some time already.
Yeah, Danner was telling me she went out for a run thinking it was cloudy yesterday. Why not head out for a run? And I think she regretted that decision.
Yeah, that's a good point. The humidity really keeps it feeling just that oppressive sort of sticky feeling, makes it hard to breathe as well. So maybe limit your outdoor running activity today.
All right. Well, in other news this morning, the Myrtle Beach
Well, I've got some good news for all those travelers within the next couple of days. Everything is nice and quiet out there in the tropics, of course, where we typically find development this time of year along the eastern seaboard, including the Carolina coastline and then into the Gulf of Mexico. All is quiet here, so we're going to continue to find pretty nice and quiet next couple of days here. As we take a look at what's going on, this is what we were looking at over the course of the last couple of afternoons here. An area of disturbance or tropical weather here that could possibly develop. Now it does look like things are going to quiet down quite a bit here. That's the area of disturbed weather. We're looking at quite a core of showers and thunderstorms. But what happened here over the past 24 hours had quite a bit of wind shear coming out of the southwest. So these winds sort of helping to break it apart this morning. And again, not looking at any further development out of this system here. It looks like over the course of the next 24 hours at least, no tropical weather expected. Guys, back to you.